Unfortunately, I'm already leaving Pico because I do have to make some repairs, or I have to find some parts for the sale. And I couldn't. Well, Pico, there is nothing related to yachts, and therefore I have to move to Horta. But it is a shame, I think, because everybody tells me that Horta, there's just a marina and nothing else, and here there is no marina, or just a very small marina, but all the rest is here, the nature and this beautiful landscape. I have to show you this mountain again, it's so incredibly beautiful. Well, maybe I can come back and go up there. Oh well, it's very high, 2,800 and something, wow, from sea level. Moonshot, wow. Doesn't look that bad. I don't know why all the harbor masters tell me that they don't like Fayal. There must be a reason. On the other islands, they tell you Fayal is not very nice, Horta is boring. Well, that's not quite true. Horta is a really nice place, and of course there is Peter Café Sport, where you have to have some drinks. And the Caldeira, the volcano, is a great experience if you walk around the crater. So something you should do if you go to Fayal. But then I had to do some work on the boat. I had to change toggle from the furling, which wasn't the right size and which was also pretty worn out. Releasing the backstay was the easiest job, but getting out the pins, that was really hard. But at the end, I made it. I replaced the toggle, and now Blue Alligator has a pretty new one which fits much better and hopefully holds for a long time. So the boat is ready, more or less. No, she's ready for Velas. Yesterday night it really rained like hell, and still everything's a bit soaked, but now the sun is out and it's hot or warm and very humid.